Hey guys, welcome to We Civil Engineers. 90% of the civil engineers calculate footing reinforcement wrong. And the small mistake in BBS can lead to huge wastage of steel on real site. So in this video, I'll show you how to calculate footing reinforcement step by step using a real site example. So let's get started. So before jumping into the calculation, let us understand the footing layout first. So from the layout, you can see that the length of the footing is 2100 and the width of the footing is 1550 mm. And the main bar diameter is 12 mm and these bars are spaced at 100 mm center to center spacing. And the diameter of the distribution bar is 10 mm and the spacing between these bars is 150 mm. So you can see here the distribution bars are placed at 150 mm center to center spacing and the main bars are placed at 100 mm center to center spacing. So this is the given data which is available with us to calculate the cutting length and prepare BBS for footing reinforcement. So the length of the footing is 2.1 meter and width of the footing is 1.55 meter. Main bar diameter is 12 mm and the clear cover is 50 mm. Distribution bar diameter is 10 mm. Main bar center to center spacing is 100 mm and distribution bar center to center spacing is 150 mm. So let's calculate the cutting length of main bar first. The diameter of the main bar is 12 mm. The formula for calculating cutting length of main bar is width of the footing minus clear cover at both end plus hook length at both end minus bend deduction at both end. So width of the footing minus 2 times of clear cover plus 2 times of 90 that is hook length minus 2 times of 2D that is bend deduction. Always remember that main bars goes in shorter direction. So bend deduction is 2D, 2 multiplied by 12. 12 is the diameter of main bar which is equals to 24 mm and if you convert it to meters then it will come as 0.024 meters. And hook length is 90, 9 multiplied by 12 which is equals to 108 mm and if you convert it to meters then it will come as 0.108 meters. And the width of the footing is 1550 and the clear cover is 50 mm which is equals to 0.05 meters. So substitute these four values in the given formula to get the cutting length of main bar. So the cutting length of main bar equals to 1.550 minus 2 times of 0.050 plus 2 times of 0.108 minus 2 times of 0.024. This is clear cover and this is hook length and this is bend deduction. And if you calculate it, then you will get it as 1.618 meters. So the cutting length of one single main bar is 1.618 meters. So let's calculate the cutting length of distribution bar and the diameter of the distribution bar is 10 mm. The formula for calculating cutting length of distribution bar is length of the footing minus clear cover at both end plus hook length at both end minus bend deduction at both end. So the only thing which changes here is length of the footing. For main bar, it is along the shorter direction. So we have taken width of the footing and for distribution bar, it is laid along the longer direction, along the length. Hence, length of the footing is taken here. So bend deduction is 2 times of diameter which is 20 mm and if you convert it to meters then it will come as 0.20 meter. And hook length is 9 times of diameter which is 90 mm and if you convert it to meters then it will come as 0.90 meter. And the length of the footing is 2100 mm which is equals to 2.10 meter and the clear cover is 0.50 meter. So let's substitute these four values to get the cutting length of distribution bar. So the cutting length of distribution bar is equals to 2.10 minus 2 times of clear cover that is 0.050 plus 2 times of hook length 2 multiplied by 0.90 minus 2 multiplied by 0.20 which is equals to 2.140 meter. So the cutting length of one single distribution bar is 2.140 meter. So now that we have cutting length of main bar and the distribution bar, let's calculate how many bars are required in the footing. So number of bars formula is length minus 2 times of clear cover divided by spacing plus 1. Here the length is 2100, which is equals to 2.1 meters, and the clear cover is 50 mm. Spacing for main bar is 100 mm. You can see here 100 mm center to center spacing. So we have length, diameter of main bar, center to center spacing, and clear cover with us. So let's substitute these four values to get the number of bars. So length is 2100 minus clear cover is 50, 2 times of 50 divided by 100. 100 is center to center spacing plus 1. Why we are adding plus 1? Because we should always count the starting bar. Okay. So plus 1 is basically starting bar. So if you calculate these numbers, then you will get the total number of bars as 21 numbers. So we require 21 main bars to form this footing. Now let's calculate the number of distribution bars required for this footing. The formula remains same. Instead of length, we have to substitute width here. So the width is 1550 and the diameter of distribution bar is 10 mm and the center to center spacing is 150 mm. So we have width with us, main bar diameter, center to center spacing, and the clear cover is 50 mm. So let's substitute these four values to get the number of bars. So number of bars equals to 1550 minus 2 times of 50 divided by 150 plus 1. 1450 divided by 150 plus 1, which is equals to 9.67 plus 1, which will come as 10.67 number. Since bar cannot be decimal, so number of bars required will be 11 numbers. So now that we have cutting length of main bar, distribution bar, number of bars required for distribution bar and number of main bars required, let's form the BBS summary table. So distribution bar diameter is 10 mm and the cutting length is 2.140. Number of bars required is 11 numbers. So multiply these two numbers, then you will get the total length of distribution bar. So you require 23.54 meter of distribution bar. Main bar diameter is 12 mm and the cutting length is 1.618 meter. So number of bars is 21 numbers. So multiply these two numbers to get the total length, that is 33.978 meters. I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel to watch more such contents. Thank you. Thank you for watching.